Have you ever wondered how to change drive parameters on a Panasonic Servo drive system? Let's walk through it step by step. Once you've added an axis in GM Programmer and completed the axis configuration, you might realize that some drive parameters still need to be adjusted. To change drive parameters directly from GM Programmer, the first thing you need is the correct Panasonic library. Go to Library Manager, click Add Library, then navigate to Miscellaneous, and select Panasonic EtherCAT. This library gives you access to several function blocks. In our case, we want to change the rotation direction of the servo motor, so we select the function block Set Rotation Direction. Before using it, take a quick look at the Documentation tab. Here you'll find a short explanation of all inputs and outputs. Definitely worth a glance. Now head back to your program. Use the Input Assistant to search for the function block. Next, declare an instance of the function block in the declaration pane. After that, call the instance in the program pane and parameterize the inputs and outputs according to your requirements. In this example, we're using structured text as our programming language, but feel free to use any other PLC open language you prefer. It's also a good idea to add a comment. For example, the parameter change only becomes effective after resetting the control power of the servo drive, or when the EtherCAT state transitions from init to pre-operational, or from pre-operational to safe operational. Now go online, execute the function block, and just like mentioned before, reset the control power supply of the servo drive. And that's it, you've successfully changed the rotation direction of your axis. If you'd like to dive deeper into servo drive parameterization, feel free to book an on-site or online training session with one of our live trainers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.
Panasonic Industry